Hello everybody, Swaminath here. Today we are going to see procure to pay cycle, P2P cycle in automobile spare parts purchase. The SAP MM/S4. So the process I'm going to do is I'm going to create a supplier in transaction code DP. I'm going to create a material in transaction code MM01. I'm going to create a RFQ, request for quotation in ME41, and then I'm going to create quotation maintenance in ME47. I'm going to create quotation. I'm going to do quotation comparison in ME49, and then I'm going to create a purchase order, goods receipt, and invoice certification. Now let's go to the system. I'm going to create a supplier. Go to BP transaction. Person Z666 grouping. I have selected Z666 grouping. Now enter FFH Industries. FFH Industries. Language English FFH. Now scroll down, enter city New York, country US. You can select it from here, country. If you know the country code, you can enter it here, US. And region, you can select it from here. Let me select it from here. Click onto the save button to save. Now, US, country of origin, US, press enter and save. Click onto this display change button. Select this Z666. Z666 button. Now click onto this company code. Yes, supplier needs to be assigned to the company code. GB10. GB10 is my company code. Press enter. Reconciliation account. Select the reconciliation account. It is integrated with the FIC finance. So you can select anything out of here. Save it. Enter correspondence language English and save it. Now go to the company code. Let me just take this number. This is the supplier. Let me take the supplier number. Now go to the system. Click onto the purchasing. Go to RA11 is my purchase organization. Press enter. Order currency USD. And let me save this. Now click on to, I'm going to create another one more supplier person. Same Z vendor Z666 GGH Industries. Entering language GGH. Scroll down. Enter. New York is my city. Enter. US country. AA is my region. And let me save this. Enter country of origin US. Let me save this. Display change. Select Z666. Sender 666. This one. Change in BP role. This is BP role. Go to company code. GB10 is my company code. Enter reconciliation account. You can select it from here. Select it from here. Press enter. And save it. Let me save this. Enter correspondence language English. Once again you go to this company code tab. This is my, once when you save this, you get the supplier number. See here, this is the supplier. Let me take this number. Click on to purchasing. My purchase organization RA11. Enter order currency USD. I know the order currency, so directly I'm entering it USD. Press enter and let me save this. This is my supplier. Now let's create a material slash and mm01, mm0, mechanical engineering and spare parts two-wheeler. Press enter. Click on to organization levels RA11, storage location RA11, and in the views, basic data 1, basic data 2, purchasing MRP1, general plan data storage 1, general plan data storage 2, and accounting 1 are the views. You have to select it. Click on to continue. Press enter. And spare parts, rear mono suspension R15 Yamaha. This is the material. This is the material number. Base unit of measure, each material. Select material group, anything. You can select anything. Whichever the field is mandatory field, you have to enter it here. Press enter. 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 See, this is a mandatory field. There is a tick mark here. So this is a mandatory field. ND, no MRP. MRP is material requirement planning. Press enter. 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 Valuation class, select 3000. It's my valuation class. Press enter, enter, and save it. Availability check 01 and save it. This is my material. Now I'm going to create RFQ slash and ME41 RFQ. Request for quotation. Request for quotation number type is AN and quotation deadline select, upon which he has to give the quotation. Before 20th, he has to give the quotation. That is, the supplier has to give the quotation. So purchase organization RA11, purchasing group you can select anything. Select anything here. 001. Press enter. Let me enter the material here. This is my material. RFQ quantity 10 quantity. My plant is RA11. Storage location RA11. It's my storage location. Press enter. Delivery date should be above this date. Should be above this date. Quotation deadline date above the date. 22nd of this month. Press enter. Now click onto this button, header details. Header details, press enter. Now go to, this is collective RFQ number L001. Any letters, alphanumeric letters, L001. L001. Now click onto this button, supplier address. First is supplier, which I have created it now. Select this, enter, and save it. Yes. This is my RFQ number. Let me take this RFQ number. Next, I'm going to enter another one more supplier here. Continue. Enter another one more supplier. I have created it now. Press enter. And let me save this. Yes. Now, let me enter this also. This is the another one more RFQ, which I have created it now. 70. Now, quotation maintenance slash and MB47. Quotation maintenance. I'm going to maintain the quotation. This person is going to give the quotation for 1500 USD. Let me save this. GGH. Yes, yes. Now 69. 69. 69. Press enter. This FFH is going to give us for 1450. And he has sent it, and I'm going to post it in SAP system. Save it. Now I'm going to compare it. Slash and ME49. I'm going to compare the quotation. collective RFQ number L001. It's my collective RFQ. Execute. See here, which one would you buy? This is high price and this is low price. Based on the price, we are going to buy it. Now, double click onto this line item. I'm going to block this. Select block. Yes. And save it. Now, when I refresh this, it would have been gone. Now, let's go to, I'm going to give order confirmation, purchase order. Going to create a purchase order /ME21N. Select onto this variance. Request for quotation. Delete all this. I'm going to delete this. Delete this. I don't want this. And let me delete this also. And execute. And execute. Now, 69. Adapt. Click onto this adapt. Go to the right. Let me enter the plant here. RA11. Go to confirm this order and let me save this. Save, go to goods receipt and invoice. Double click onto this line item. Let me take this. MI0 transaction code /MI0. I'm going to create goods receipt and check the inventory. Press enter, enter the inventory. I'm going to check the inventory. Scroll down, item OK and post. Item OK and post. Now let me check the inventory. MMB. MMB. Another screen, I'm checking it. Execute. Click onto this execute button. See here 10 quantities has come. When you click on, come back. When you click on this to this execute button, it gets executed. Now come back. Go to MIRO. Vendor has sent the material. We have just done goods receipt. Is giving you the bill. Go to post it in SAP system. MIRO. Transaction code MIRO. GB10 is my company code. Enter today's date. Calculate tax. Enter. Purchase order number here. This is the amount. I'm going to copy this amount and put it here. Go to this here. Press enter. Enter baseline date and save it. This is the procure to pay. Thank you.